In this video, I'm going to show you how to add fonts to Photoshop. So this is actually very simple and isn't even done inside Photoshop, but outside of it, okay? As you can see, I have this subscribe button, which you should, by the way. I mean subscribe text over here. And I'm going to change it to a new font that isn't inside Photoshop right now. Now, what you want to do is first find a font somewhere online. I like to use Google Fonts because, well, it's convenient. And then you want to look for a font you like. So let's say it's going to be this one for me, okay? You want to click on it and click Get Font and then press Download All. This will download your font in a zip folder. Now, if the folder is zipped, okay, just like it is over here in my case, as you can see, what you want to do is right-click on that zip folder and click Extract All and just press Extract. As you can see, and I have a new folder that isn't zipped, and you want to open it up, and as you can see, I now have the text in here. Now, it's called Oswald, as you can see. What you want to do is simply look for this font icon, so it's the one that has ABG on it. If you zoom in, you want to double-click it, and simply press Install up here. This will install your font for you. As you can see, that's been done, and let's install the other one because there were two. Click over here and click Install yet again, and there we go, that's done. Now this one is called Playwright, so if I now hop back into Photoshop and try to change this font over here, okay, you want to double click it of course, and type in Play. As you can see, the Playwright font has now been installed and is in here for me to use. I can simply click it and then confirm. The size has been the size is a bit awkward, as you can see. Now you of course would have to resize it if you would want to use it. There we go, just like that. But the font is working and has been successfully added inside Photoshop. So that's pretty much it. That's how to add fonts to Photoshop easily. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.